In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign a PDF file with a digital signature. So I have an example file here, we're going to sign this together, and I'm going to show you what I would consider the best way to sign it. Because if you're signing documents, it means that they're personal documents or they have personal info on them, and I wouldn't go uploading them to random third-party websites which allow you to sign with their service. I would go for a trusted provider and a trusted tool. So here's what I would recommend. So obviously you need the file, and then I sign all of my files inside of Dropbox. So you can go to Dropbox by going to dropbox.com. Dropbox is a cloud storage. It's a competitor to Google Drive, but what I like about Dropbox, they actually have a very good sign feature, which allows you to write or draw your signature once, and you can use that same drawed signature across multiple pages or different documents. You can also move your signature very easily across the page, because sometimes you'll insert a signature, but on a lot of PDF editors, your signature won't actually respond well when you move it, but with Dropbox, I've found it to be quite good. So go to dropbox.com. If you've got a free account, great, log in. If you haven't, just sign up for a free account. I'm going to sign up for a brand new one right now, and I'll meet you inside. Just a quick note, if you are signing up for the first time, don't use any of their recommendations. Scroll down, continue with 2 GB Dropbox basic plan. This will give you 2 GB to upload all of your files and sign them. Okay, so once you've created your Dropbox account and you're on the dashboard, it is now very simple. We can just simply sign it. So you've got signatures here on the left. You can also go to upload or drop, and I would recommend you do it this way because you first need to get your file inside of Dropbox. So click file, then choose your PDF file. So mine is this one, the one I've shown in the intro. We're going to click open, and it will then upload that document. Once you've got that document uploaded, you'll then see it in Dropbox. So now we've got this document here. We can click on it, make sure it's selected. Then you need to go to the 3 dots here on the right, then click on self-sign. That will load up the signature window where we can add our signature, and I'll show you how responsive and how quick this can be done. You will need to verify your email address to use this feature. Alright, so I've just verified my account. We're now in the add your signature window, and that will appear once you go through the steps that I've just shown you. You can then either draw your signature, you can type it, you can upload it, and then any of these that you create will then be in the saved section, and you'll be able to use these across all different pages and different documents. I'm going to go to draw, and we'll just do a funny one for the video. We can then click insert, and it's then going to insert this as an image onto your document, and you can really put this anywhere, and I love how it's really responsive, and you can click it, you can resize it, you can move it. So once you've got this where it needs to be in your document, you can then just click save. It's then going to prepare your document. It's going to prepare the obviously signed version. And there you go. It should take you to your signed version. Just double check that it has been signed. Then you can go file. You can then go download, and then you'll be able to download that signed version. So here it is. If we now take a look at this, you will notice that the signature has been added. So that's all you need to do. I hope that helped you out.